Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we would like to present our topic entitled The Role of Information Science Activities in Enhancing Knowledge Management. Here is our member Nisrina Marsha, Alia Rayana Sofia, Nick Nur Safia, Nur Alia Dajo, Nur Christina, and Azian Arzila. In organizations today, knowledge is a valuable asset in organizations, but without proper management, it can be lost. Let me begin by introducing the topic of our presentation. This part will be presented by Nur Aliana Juabenti Samsudin.
In today's digital world, information has become an important element in how organization and society function. The rapid development of digital technology has led to the continuous creation of information in various formats such as text, image, audio, and data records. This situation highlights the need for information to be managed in a systematic and structured manner. Information science addresses this complexity by focusing on how information is managed within different systems and environments. In organization, it provides a structured approach to managing information throughout its life cycle, especially in digital settings. Next, let's continue with the definition of information science activities. Information science activities refer to the systematic and planned process used to manage information from its creation until its use. These activities focus on the organized processing of information within information system and form the core of the field of information science. Key activities include information creation and collection, information organization through classification, cataloging, indexing, and metadata, as well as information storage and archiving for current and future use. In addition, information access and retrieval enable users to obtain information based on their needs, while information dissemination ensures information is delivered to the right user through appropriate channels. Overall, these activities support efficient information management throughout the information lifecycle.
Next, what are the importance of knowledge management? So, here are the importance. Let me explain to you. For this part, Nisrina Marsha binti Abdul Wahab will be presenting.
Firstly, knowledge management enhances the decision making. When knowledge is properly organized and shared within the organization, managers and employees can make decisions based on accurate and reliable information. This reduces the chances of mistakes and ensures the actions are more effective and aligned with organization goals. Secondly, it improves the organizational efficiency and productivity. Employees can easily access the information they need, which saves the time and effort. Instead of spending hours on searching the data or repeating the work, they can focus on completing tasks efficiently. This ultimately improves overall performance and helps the organization use its resources in the best way. Thirdly, knowledge management encourages innovation and continuous learning. By sharing the experience, ideas, and lessons learned, employees can build on existing knowledge to create new solutions. This environment of continuous learning allows the organization to adapt to changes, adopt new technologies, and stay competitive in the market. Lastly, it reduces knowledge loss. Valuable knowledge is often lost when employees leave or retire, which can affect the organization performance. With knowledge management system, important information is stored in databases, documents, or manuals, making sure that others can access it when needed. This preserves organizational knowledge and ensures smooth continuity in operations.
So, that is why knowledge management is important in information science. But, what exactly is the role of knowledge management in information science? Let's move on to the next explanation. This part, Nur Alariana Sofia Penti Mama Asli will be present.
The first role of information science activity in knowledge management is information creation and acquisition. Information creation and acquisition involve producing and collecting knowledge within an organization. So basically, this role explains how organizations get information and knowledge from different sources. It converts tacit knowledge into explicit knowledge. After the information is collected, the next step is to turn employees' experience and skill into written or recorded knowledge so others can understand it. It encourages documentation, report, and content creation. To do this, employees are encouraged to write report, prepare document, and create guides so that knowledge can be stored properly. Knowledge is captured from meeting, project, and customer interaction. Besides that, knowledge is also collected from meeting, project discussion, and customer feedback to make sure no important information is missed. The second rule of information science activity in knowledge management is organization and categorization of information. Organization and categorization ensure information is structured and easy to access. This means information needs to be arranged properly so user can find it easily. Information science use classification system, indexing, metadata, and taxonomies. To organize the information, different tools and systems are used to group and label the information clearly. Proper organization help avoid duplicate work and save time. As a result, employees do not need to repeat the same work and can complete tasks faster. Documents can be arranged in shared system by project, date, or department. For example, document can be stored in shared folder based on project or department, making information easier to manage.
Next is Azin Arzula binti Arman.
In my part, I will focus on three key activities, which are information access and retrieval, dissemination of information to stakeholders, and archiving and preserving valuable information. The first activity is information access and retrieval. This activity enables easy access to stored information. This activity ensures that stored information can be easily located and can be used by individuals within the organization. The next activity is dissemination of information to stakeholders. This activity to ensure the right information reaches the right stakeholders. Dissemination ensures information is delivered to the correct stakeholders at the right time. Last but not least, the last activity is archiving and preserving valuable information. It is to ensure long-term access to important organization knowledge. Also, it helps control, save, and retain valuable records. Also, it helps to protect information from data loss and technological changes.
Now, let's move on to the case study. On this part will be presented by Nur Kasina binti Muhammad Yusuf.
So first activities at UITM is information creation and acquisition. UITM produce thesis, journal articles, research report, learning module, and digital learning materials. External information is obtained through academic databases, e-journal, and e-book. This activity supporting continuous knowledge development. So next activities at UITM is organization and categorization of information. The UITM library use metadata, subject classification, indexing, and cataloging. Academic materials are stored in IR and OPEC. This makes it easier for student and lecturer to search and reuse information. Next activities is information access and retrieval. UITM access via OPEC, IR, academic databases, and iLearn. This enables quick and easy access to information. Next activities is dissemination of information stakeholders. Information disseminated through UITM website, student portal, digital library, and internal system. This involving student, lecturers, administrators, and researchers. So last activities at UITM is archiving and preserving valuable information. Thesis and research results are stored digitally in IR. This preventing information loss and preserving institutional knowledge.
Lastly, what are the challenges and the conclusion? On this part, Nick Mustafa Yohana binti Nick Muhammad Aidil will be present.
So for the next section, I will talk about challenges of information science. One of the major challenge information science activities is information overload. Organizations deal with a huge amount of digital information, making it difficult for employees to find relevant and accurate data. This can slow down decision making and reduce work efficiency. Another challenge is the lack of integration between information systems. When data is stored and different systems or departments, knowledge silos are formed. This limits collaboration and makes knowledge sharing less effective. Human and organizational issues also play an important role. Many organizations lack skilled information professionals, and employees may be unwilling to share knowledge due to lack incentives or fear of job security. This weakens knowledge management efforts. So, what should we know about the future directions? In the future, technologies such as artificial intelligence, or we call as AI, and machine learning can help manage information more effectively. These tools can improve search accuracy, automatically organize information, and reduce information overload. Organizations should also adopt integrated knowledge management platforms and cloud-based systems. These tools can allow better information access, real-time collaboration, and effective storage of organizational knowledge. Lastly, developing information literacy and strong knowledge-sharing culture is essential. Training and supportive environments encourage employees to share and use information more effectively. So, for the conclusion is, information science activities are essential for effective knowledge management in organizations. Although challenges such as information overload, system fragmentation, and human factors exist, these issues can be addressed through technology and strategic planning. By adopting advanced technologies and promoting a culture of knowledge sharing, organizations can improve efficiency, decision making, and long-term success in a knowledge-driven environment.
That's all for us. Bye. Thank you.